Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the block and inline elements in the HTML. So what is a block and inline elements? The block level element always start on a new line and takes up the full width available, alright? And inline element does not start on a new line, it only takes up as much width as necessary, okay? So there are only two elements, okay? One is for the block level and the second one is for the inline element. The div element is for the block level element and the span element is for the inline element. Whenever we use the div element, we often use it for the container for the other HTML elements, but the span element is not used as like that. Always use it for the part of the text or the part of the document. So without just wasting the time, let's just go to the editor and see how can we use the div and a span element in HTML file. Okay, well, here we have a basic structure of the HTML document. Now we need to write the div element first. Div. Let me just define the styling. Let me just write in a paragraph here. A paragraph. I would like to add block level element. Let me just copy this thing. We are going to use our div element. Let me just save this file and run it on the browser. Now you can see here that we applied the div element on the other elements, but the span element doesn't work like that. Okay, so in span element we don't use it over the other elements, we use it inside the other elements. So for example, if I just want to use the paragraph again and I want to use a span element, I can use it inside the paragraph, okay, not over the paragraph, or you will get the idea when I will complete this thing. So let me just write this. I think I should go with the color. Okay, we are good with the color, and now let me just give it the font width. Go for the bold. We are good here. Let me just save the file and see how does it change the look of our web page. Now you can see the text paragraph is in a bold style, and let me just change the color of the text. I want to go with blue color. Save it again and run it again. Now we have the blue color. So this is how you can use a span, and let me just use a span again with the block level text. Copy this thing and paste it here. Cut this and save it again. Run this again. Now you can see that we have used the span element inside the paragraph. We have used the two different span elements with the two different texts, alright, to give it a different kind of styling. And this is how the div element and the span element work. And if you really find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.